The idea of black holes is one thing that we know is true, but simply do not believe. We have never fully comprehended these universe-wide phenomena, which are extremely mysterious. Nevertheless, it is a fascination for us. A black hole is the most powerful thing in the universe because it combines space, time, and matter into a single point. Anything that comes into contact with them can be absorbed by them. However, we do know that they are extremely powerful, but we do not really know much about their specifics. Well, scientists have been studying black holes for a long time, and they have finally discovered how they work inside one. Come along with us as we talk about what it's like to be inside a black hole and how this discovery could completely alter everything. However, we will require some background information before we can proceed with the current discovery. Despite the fact that the majority of us were educated to believe that black holes exist, sometime in the past, they were only a hypothesis, all until the main dark opening was found in the last part of the 1960s, known as Cygnus X1. Scientists were able to learn more about how black holes operate and behave as a result of this discovery. They discovered, for instance, that a black hole is a very dense region of spacetime, with such a strong gravitational pull that nothing, not even light, can escape. Additionally, they discovered that black holes come in a variety of sizes, with the largest ones measuring approximately 200 kilometers in diameter. The smallest are about as small as an atom. Cygnus X1 is a stellar mass black hole, which means that despite being the same mass, it is only 6 times as big as our Sun. In addition, the discovery of Cygnus X1 demonstrated that black holes typically possess powerful gravitational pulls and magnetic fields. Because of this, they are extremely dangerous and have the potential to seriously devastate the universe if left unchecked. Researchers were able to learn more about the workings of these powerful cosmic objects from this initial discovery, and they were able to come up with theories that help us better comprehend these enigmatic phenomena. We were also able to determine how uncommon black holes are thanks to this discovery. It turns out that the Milky Way alone may contain close to 1 million. However, they are still unimaginably difficult to identify, driving numerous to conjecture that the genuine number could be altogether higher. Since we needed to learn more about them, if there were that many in our own galaxy, we started our quest to truly comprehend what happens inside a black hole. When something enters a black hole, it is basically trapped and compressed astronomically until it reaches a singularity, the entity's main mass point, where all matter is basically crushed into a single particle. However, in order to reach this singularity, one must traverse 2 black hole layers before arriving at this location. The first layer is referred to as the outer event horizon, and it is a boundary that surrounds the mouth of each black hole. Because of its extremely strong gravitational pull, nothing will be able to escape there during its existence. Anything that falls into this layer is slowed down and trapped there. Because of this, it will be impossible to escape, given our current understanding of physics, to travel faster than the speed of light. Additionally, at this point, the physics of our universe come to an end and are replaced by a new set of chaotic laws that control what happens inside. Despite the fact that we can only really study it through photographs and telescopes, none of us have ever entered. As we have already established, there is no exit once you enter. But there's more. We can't travel fast enough to escape their gravitational pull, which is the fundamental impossibility that causes the difficulties in studying black holes. Because of their size and complexity, scientists are essentially limited to studying them from a distance, which is difficult. They must observe the radiation that black holes produce, as well as the gas and dust that surrounds them in order to accomplish this. This makes it staggeringly hard to make a point-by-point picture of what's inside the dark opening, as any tests or cameras conveyed into space would be in a split second squashed by the occasion skyline once they arrived at it. The fact that every black hole is unique in its own way makes things even more complicated. This means that there is no one-size-fits-all model for how black holes form and behave. In addition, physicists haven't been able to understand the singularity at the center of all black holes until now. because we don't have the technology to travel fast enough to get there. This means that all we can do is speculate about what might be inside, but nobody will ever truly know until we can travel faster than light through space and time. To make the situation even more difficult, as they absorb matter, energy, and radiation from the universe around them, black holes are constantly evolving. As the black hole continues to change over time, any data scientists might have gathered from observing it at one point in time could easily become out of date. These massive astronomical phenomena, despite their danger and mystery, can still be studied and partially understood. Scientists can observe black holes from a distance and learn a lot about their structure and behavior by mapping out stars that are close enough to their event horizons. Because of this knowledge, we are now able to safely continue our space exploration and come up with specific theories about what lies beyond these mysterious entities' event horizons. Scientists have done just that. And right here is where things really start to get interesting. According to this theory, black holes may not simply be massive masses of nothingness. Rather, they may serve as entrances to other galaxies and universes. The film Interstellar, in which characters search for a new home for humanity through a black hole, serves as the inspiration for this concept. Black holes could open the door to faster-than-light travel if this theory is correct. Because of this, we will be able to traverse them to reach galaxies and the universe beyond our own without being constrained by time and space. However, because it relies on the development of technology that can travel faster than light, this theory is still largely theoretical. But there's more. There are additional issues as well. Any spacecraft that entered a black hole, for instance, would become trapped and unable to escape again due to the gravitational pull of the object. To avoid such a catastrophic event, traveling through them would necessitate extensive research. Any spacecraft passing through a black hole could also be in danger from the enormous radiation they emit. In addition, it is still unknown what else may exist beyond a black hole's singularity. However, truth be told, researchers are now dealing with making a shuttle that can travel quicker than light. A black hole is powered by base fuel. To put it another way, when we look at a black hole as a hologram, we are able to see how all of these components interact with one another and come together to form something brand new. This portrayal of the behavior of black holes is very different from what has been previously proposed. As a result, we ought to investigate the possibility of a moving black hole rather than focusing on a single point at which the automatic button presses. The thought is that it is continually consuming residue particles and gases from its encompassing space, which assists with driving it further. This indicates that a black hole would still be able to consume the planet's matter and continue expanding in size, even if it moved in close proximity to it. This new theory has exciting repercussions because it has the potential to improve our comprehension of black holes and their behavior. We might even be able to put that energy to use for our own purposes if we were able to decipher the secrets contained within these enigmatic objects. Although this theory offers a much more exciting look at these powerful objects, its validity is still unknown. The possibility of uncovering new enigmas remains open in light of technological advancements and ongoing research into black holes. What discoveries lie ahead can only be determined over time. However, based on what we know so far about a black hole's inner workings, it's likely that things will only get more interesting. And when they do, excellent. We'll be the initial ones to discuss it here. In that spirit, the video for today will come to an end. How do you think black holes work? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.